Hi, this is PSI in Math, Multiplication Division, Take-Home Problem Set C. This whole take-home problem set is all about the tips and tricks that we learned in class to do your multiplication and division much faster. You can find notes and references to all these tips and tricks in your binder. I highly recommend that you reference those so you can see the formulas for how we solve these. 35 times 35. Of course, we could do this with the long multiplication, but we're going to try one of our trick techniques. In your binder, there is a trick for multiplication with the same tens digit. Ones digit sums to 10. So the tens digit is the same, 3 and 3. The ones digits do add up to 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So here's how we can quickly solve that. Take your ones digits and multiply them. And that multiplication comes up 5 times 5 is 25. Now for the rest of your answer. You take the tens digit and multiply it times one more than itself. In this case, it's 3 times 4, which is 12. And there's your answer.
Number 2. The remainder of 50,073 divided by 9 is what? Now, if you know your divisibility rules, this should be easy. Since it's a 9, it's almost like 3. You would add up all of your digits and then see if it is divisible by 9. So 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 0 is 10, so 0 is 10. Plus 5, that is 15. So 15 divided by 9. 19 times 15 one time, this is 9, and the remainder is 6. And that's your answer.
So again, these are in your divisibility and your remainder rules that are in your binder. The next question is 9 times 6 times 25. This particular problem we can solve by multiplying by 25 trick. Again, looking in your binder, there's a multiplying by 25 trick. 9 times 6, as we know, is 54. So this is the same as 54 times 25. In your multiplication by 25 trick, it tells us to do what? Take this number, divide by 4, and then based on the remainder, we would know the last two digits. 54 divided by 4 is 13, remainder 2. So my answer is 13, and the last two digits are based on what my remainder is. In that multiplication trick, it says if the remainder is 0, then the last two digits are 0, 0. If the remainder is 1, the last two digits are 25. Remainder of 2, the last two digits are 50, and remainder of 3, the last two digits are 75. In this equation, we had 13 remainder 2, so my answer is 13, 5, 0.